My loving children, I really miss you a lot. We missed few sessions of therapy. It's perfectly okay, but we are still healthy. All mothers are doing such a great job out there. They are working so hard with the children and they are sending me videos. We've been discussing a lot of things on phone. Mostly I deal with the children who has cerebral palsy and other disorders like autism, ADHD and all those things. And to be very honest, at this stage, we have to stay home. We have to do whatever we can do, which is at home. And I feel all the mothers are doing it, all the activities. I think my mothers have become more creative by now. The videos which I see nowadays are so creative. They are doing a lot of good stuff. They are spending good and very quality time with the children. So one good thing which I see is a lot of fathers have started involving with their children, right? They have started knowing their child better. They have started involving with the activities with the mother. At present, my mother was doing a lot of things with the child, but now it is both father and the mother. Both are doing equal jobs with the child. They are enjoying with them. They are spending good time with them. So when they see their video, I really find a lot of changes when both the parents are equally involved with the child.
When we think together, we will overcome the stress, we will overcome the strains, we will overcome the fear of this pandemic. During this time, it has been observed that our Divyang children, they are facing lots of problems because they have to stay at home. And along with these Divyang children, even their parents are getting so much of stress as to how to deal with these children, because they are full of energies. They want something or the other to be done and they need to be kept active throughout the day. So the take home message for the parents is, unless and until you are happy, unless and until you are free of stress and strain, you cannot look after your children who is a specially able child. So to take care of these specially able children, we need to keep ourselves motivated, we need to keep ourselves stress free and find out the ways as to how we can keep our children engaged.
Jai 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 Ho Jai 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 फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियां, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा